Hello there, everybody. It's the man who drinks invisibility potions. Well, I mean, recall potions. Picking off right where we left off previously. I have my new cape, I have my water gun, which I don't think I can use, because it requires... Just pushes them back. Should be able to use it in tandem with my ice blade here. But yeah, I'm so annoyed at myself. Like, I legitimately did everything wrong there. Oh well. These things happen. I don't know what made my brain go, yeah, no, this is totally what you want to do. But I need to talk to that part of my brain. And I need to ask the question, why would you do this? Put the silver ore away. Get rid of the slush block. Get rid of the royal wood. Hold on to the stars and such. I will put these weapons away, though. Not doing super much for me right now. Mining potion, that's what we're gonna probably end up using now. Put you away for now. And then we just quick stack, sort. God, that was just so poor. Put this stuff in here. Definitely keep you out of sight. I don't get the idea in my head. Oh, I can fight him now. A luck. Ooh, okay, we'll switch that out for the purple one. Who needs 1% movement speed anyway? Not me. Not Heroic. Heroic don't need that. Heroic just needs to stop teleporting himself by accident. Not that I'm bitter or anything. I'm extremely bitter. Of all the things I've done that were dumb, that was the dum-dum. Like, I looked at it too. It registered in my brain what it was. I read the words in my mind. Hey, recall potion. But you know what my mind said? Yeah, that's a good idea. I mean, why wouldn't you want to recall? Why are you, dumb? You stupid. And yes, I clearly am, because I decided, for whatever reason, that the best course of action should not be to, you know, start figuring out what I can use to make space. No, start drinking everything. There's no way that can backfire. Alright, I got the wood. Made the torches. Made more torches. And we're good. If I run out of torches, something's wrong. Meanwhile, me and my fantasy cape are gonna just get along here. So disappointed in myself. I had one job. One job! Don't drink the recall potion. This is exactly why I have the magic mirror. I got rid of recall potions for that exact reason. Oh, well, there's a seeds. God damn, I've been making so many mistakes as of late. Like, so many. And I'm beginning to wonder if it's like, because I'm not paying enough attention. Oh, hello, Mr. Worm. Thank you. It has to be just because I'm not thinking things beforehand. Leave those right around here. Yeah. I am going to have to be ready to fight. In case I don't make it to the spot in time. Oh no. Oh my god! I've already made a mistake. Stop bothering me, bat! Oh dear. You know what? Now that I am here, let me just go grab this stuff. I don't care right now. We're gonna make this bridge freaking snazzy. Just torches everywhere, 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 everywhere. I have torches for days. I don't care if I've just used like 6 of them in this one instance. What is this? More silver? Mine. I don't want it. Okay, now let's try this in a less dumb way. Loot all. Take this. Take these. Smash this. Use this. Open the door. Okay, this could turn out in my favor if I use the sword as an alternate light source. And don't know why I thought I'd be like, is this? No, this is different. Okay, that was platinum. I passed a platinum when I could see. Oh, right, that just makes me better at mining, not actually. Oh, I have lost my. Oh no, it's dark. It's dark and I can't see my E key. And the spider spawned out there, so I'm gonna take that as a W. And the spider's like, I need a place to spawn quickly. I'm not gonna lie, I just really scared the hell out of myself because I'm like, I saw, I think the magic thing is what I saw. Oh no, he's departed. There was a lower door. Just take that undead Viking statue and the tungsten chandelier. And of course the piano, because I am a piano man. Yeah, let's keep going down. I'm not scared. Who said I was scared? Whoever said that was lying. I'm scared. Me, I'm the liar. Oh, what the? Hi. Okay. Nice to meet you. So it's dangerous everywhere. You know what? I have an idea. We're gonna just hold still for a second. No. You need to stay put. Actually, this place is relatively safe after I, you know, make it. You know, you're safer in there. There's so many torches. You will have no issue at all. None whatsoever. I am worried for this woman's safety. I didn't realize the stylist was a... Will you leave me alone? What have I done to you? I've done nothing to you, and you've decided to be a very unpleasant there you go. There you go. I'm stuck. I'm stuck. The gears are stuck. The cobwebs. Oh no. I'm sorry? I got frozen. Okay, we can play this game. We can play this game. Trust me. Trust me. Trust me. I have time. I have so much time. In fact, I have enough time to do this. And actually, grenades do not break blocks. I'm just gonna... There we go. Gotcha. Yeah, yeah. Remember who has grenades. Okay. Let's try this again, shall we? Oh my goodness. Oh Lord, can I... okay, we back up just a little bit here. I can't drop torches down. Hop off. Hop on. Eat life. Alright, and we continue. Okay. And here's our stop. If someone could tell... Okay, one moment. Alright, I think... Yeah, no, we were good. Sorry for that. Sorry for that. Okay. Something is bashing their head nearby. And I do apologize for the noises earlier. That, thought I left that on mute. I did not. And now we have an undead Viking running our way. And a bat. I'll tell you who I like less. It's the bat. I mean, the Viking's not really a problem. Because I can just keep him knocked back thanks to the magic part of the Ice Blade. Which I entirely forgot about. Really was hoping for more than just the stylus, though. Like, the spider caves... Yeah, nope, no. We're not doing this song and dance. That actually does brighten things up quite a bit. Stick of dynamite? No, stick of dynamite. Stick of dynamite. I was about to say, where's the kaboom? There was supposed to be an earth-shattering kaboom. I don't know what these are. But I am curious. Wait, is that a brace? No, that was just a... Can you not be mean? Is that doable, Mr. Slime? Oh, I'm drowning. And you! Can we just talk for a second about how I don't approve of you walking towards me like that? You, Mr. Roly-Poly thing, I don't care about. You can do whatever you want, because you, for some reason, act as if I just struck you in the most violent of ways for the smallest of taps. Alright. I've lost my keys again, because it is dark in the room. Well, I guess nothing was up there was important anyway. Who needs the WASD keys? I don't need them. I play with my eyes closed. That's a net, me. 12 buttons on a mouse, and yet you still can't figure out where the one key is. That's pretty much me. How many bats are here? I have been lighting my way for the longest time, and yet these guys are still spawning. Also, can we exit? Yeah, there we go. Why are we still in ice? I've long since been out of ice. I'd like no more ice chests, just golden chests, please. Looks like we're digging. Half buried in water. The smallest of blocks. I might use my sword to try and help find our way. I used to do that with an ice bow, actually. Can't remember if it was magic or not. And I have nowhere to put the torch. There we go. Well, at least I will also have plenty of objects of which I can use to block incoming enemy. There we go. I just want to know what was up there. Oh, really? I once again do apologize for any random noises you're hearing during this. You know. It's a bit of a strange day, actually. Mini Legend's not feeling too hot, so she stayed home. And with her staying home comes the problems of, you know, I'm basically doing this. It's part of the reason why it's Terraria instead of, like, I don't know, anything else. I considered recording Apex Legend, but all you're really going to hear me do is say, why would you do that, teammate? Why would you abandon me? Again. Why do you abandon me? Why do all my teammates abandon me? What are you doing over there? Stay with the team. Stick with us. Oh god, why haven't you stuck with us? And so forth. Really, I don't understand it. I really just don't. Like, I've had good teammates in randoms. And Apex Legend is a battle royale. You'd think you'd want to stay next to your teammate. That is a big slime. That's right, you're the mom slime. So if I smack you, if I keep aiming in this direction, yeah, that's right. Oh, right, the baby slimes. I'm over here like my masterful tactical decisions of, you know, smacking in one direction. Oh lord, all the water's gonna exit into here. Well, actually, that wasn't as bad as I thought it would be. Perfect. Okay, so let's start. Just making sure we have a rope for just in case. We don't know how deep this goes. Really do love this cape, though. I wonder how deep we're gonna go. And I already know where this is going. Yeah, there we go. Oh, well, you showed us the way. Thank you, Worm. I didn't realize you were killing yourself just to show us where to go. I mean, that is the only reason you attacked me in a small area where I have a weapon that behaves much like my tools, yes? Surely you didn't think you could fight me. Not in this. Hello, Bat. Bane of my... Oh, wait! Oh, no, that's a nymph! Oh, that was a nymph. Well, yeah, don't you stay right the hell there. That, oh my god, we found a nymph! Holy crap, that's actually rare as hell! I got the metal detector from that. I actually got the metal detector from that. And there's a straight flag. You disturb me, Mr. Skeleton. I don't like it. Your neck's on backwards. What's that over there, though? Oh, right, because I was shooting in that direction. Did I really not get... When in doubt, when you have forgotten what tool you used to grab the thing, just start. There we go. Now I can see under there. Okay. That's what's over here. Oh god. That's all held up by cobwebs! Honestly, I have no idea where I should be going. One moment. I was gonna say one moment, but I was able to handle the problem. Not the skeleton problem, with the, you know, reverse neck. There we go. Can I... There it is. There it is. I really... it shouldn't be a problem, it's just... Oh, I'm sorry. Excuse me, sir, forgive me. I didn't realize you were the champion of skeletons over here, able to throw your own bones. Traveling merchant has arrived. Oh my god, I can't. There's skeletons, there's slimes, there's bats. Not the good bats like in the Brave browser, just bats. Which have cast darkness on me. I now have reduced visibility. And in here is a Latin bottle. Well, loot all. Hold on to the gravitation potion and get rid of the dirt. Hold on to a stick of dynamite, get rid of the glass, I mean the ice. Isn't ice just water glass? Grab the platinum bars, because that is 1000% worth it. Get rid of the soot. Soot? Was that soot? I think it was soot. No. Silt. A silt block. And then we grab this to sell. And we put this... I could swear I heard that. Yeah, what am I hearing? Is there... What is that noise? I'm not going crazy, right? Okay, I go... Oh! Oh, the fungi waste! Dang it, it's so late in the episode, but I found it. And there's so much topaz here. Ah. Is that topaz in the background too? Okay, I can't tell if it's growing louder or quieter. I'm not going... I swear to God I'm not going crazy. No, I thought it was more topaz! Okay. Good news. I found the mushroom area. Bad news, I actually can't get to the mushrooms. I have to find a way to swim around it, fortunately. But I'm still shocked that we found a nymph. I didn't realize we were that deep. Is that... I don't know what that is. We really don't need any more pianos. And who needs stone blocks? I mean, those are for nerds. There's stones everywhere. I'm going over the limit. Well, I'm going over the limit I set for myself. There's no actual limit. I'm just rather prefer not to keep you here too long. Yeah, no, just everything is over here for some reason. Wait, I have torches. Why am I using the ice blade for light? You know, every time I see a bat coming over here to annoy me, I can't help but think, you sneaky deaky. Oh, I ran out of torches. Yay? Well, at least of that 99 set. Alright, up. I just want to see what that is. That's all I want to do. That's all I want to do. Funny thing was, I didn't notice it was a nymph yet, so I actually could have gotten tricked again. So I remember the first time I actually found a nymph, I was looking for one. I was hunting one down. It was platinum. Ooh, this has probably been my most successful one yet. Excuse me. All right. We're just gonna see what this is, and then we're out. And we're skedaddling. You know, there's a million things in that water that want to kill me. And we are good, kinda. Let's just. Oh man, they're the mushroom trees. I like those actually. I once had a really cool mushroom biome thing. Okay, drop that down. Get that back. Just like steps. There we go. Ah, there! I was correct. It was the important ore. Okay, I wish there was a way I could remember this, but unfortunately there's none. Anyway, let's get back. Why are you in my room? Alright, let's set you up with a room. Because you've decided to... That's... Yeah, chest detected nearby. It's not like, you know, you purposely said... Painter? What do you mean the painter? When did we get a painter? Why are you here? Was it because of the water gun? I mean, I'm not entirely opposed to having the painter here. Oh, so you alright there, Bohemius? A gee. Portable cement mixer. Material is equipable. Increases placement speed. Don't know what that does. But I am a sucker. Anyway, that's it for this episode. I really hope you all enjoyed. Sorry for the random noise in the background. I do try my best to keep it down sometimes, but there are days where that's just not possible. Today was one. I actually didn't see this, but I got the arcane metal detector. That actually might be worth holding on to. Frickin' probably tell me if I'm next to the valuable ore I would like to keep. Yeah. Anyway, like I said before, big thank you all for watching. You know what to do if you liked the video, and if you did, much appreciated. Till next one, laters.